new way of thinking, it's a new way of working.
With the recent growth that Sandvik has had, we felt it necessary to relocate our older facilities to better serve our customers.
Our new service centre here at Kenwick is a 16,000 square metre site. It's got a state-of-the-art workshop.
This has enabled us to include and incorporate a lot of the new technology, and it's located a lot closer to the freight services and closer to our key customers. Doing this will enable us to better serve our customers by being able to pick, pack and dispatch a lot quicker. As part of the build, we factored in having a new training and induction centre that enables the employee to come in and learn about Sandvik and about Sandvik's way of working before they hit the floor. It's the first commercial facility in Western Australia to achieve a 6-star green facility rating. The facility contains low emission carbon concrete, low emission steel. All the furniture, paint, fittings, fit out is all done with recycled materials. It includes 240 solar panels. We have a water harvesting system and we have the septic tanks. We've invested in quite a little bit of automation, the new technology being the transport management system, warehouse management system and the zone routed conveyors, which are operated by a warehouse control system. We've also introduced the vertical towers, which is a vertical storage solution which stores up to around 80% of our fast-moving product.
Picking efficiency has really gone up, especially with the conveyor. Going from manual picking to this work assignment way of picking that we're doing on the RFs has really helped us.
We've increased our inventory holding by 40% to better support our customers with their equipment offering. We are running with less MHE for picking and packing in those particular areas, which allows us to diversify who we employ.
A lot of the works is around our pre-deliveries of our new machines. We've also do rebuild work, midlife intervention work with the PPX team. We also get a lot of R&D getting carried out by the product support team. Our customers are able to come view the machines here in various stages.
And where we want to showcase their finished machines, we can bring it to the front of the workshop and they can come around and have a look and we can really showcase what we can do here.
If they want to come down and do their risk assessments, we have room where they can test their machines and see them in operation.
The efficiencies of being so close to the workshop is we're able to deliver the workshop product a lot quicker.
It's really brought us together. There's a lot of relationship building that we've done.
The new workshop is very much in line with where we want to go in the future with Sandvik.
I'm really excited to be part of it. I think we're collaborating really well to come up with something great here.